Yes.
So, why is it when the Bible says human race? One man to do this, one man to do that. Why they're not mentioning it? And I'll show you how we break it down again. You and me do it on the road every day. You drive a man and woman drive, right?
Yes.
You drive a good way. Some man, one car, whoops up. Then a mad rass man that. Before you know it is a woman that drive.
Well, alright.
So put that, all of that in your head.
Hey, but listen what me I will tell you now. There are parts of the Bible where tell you exactly
Like?
the word that a woman should do.
Like, go ahead and repeat them to me. You're not going to mention which part of the Bible. I'm not going to hold it to that. But mention what it says a woman should and should not do.
Woman, which part it tell you say, woman must teach the younger ladies them how to love their husband, how to adorn themselves, and all them things.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
But there are no parts of the Bible that tell you that a woman should take scriptures and break down scriptures.
And there's no part of the Bible say they shouldn't.
There are parts of the Bible that tell you.
Because the Bible commands
Hallelujah.
Where two or more are gathered in his name.
Bless the name
love.
Jesus.
You never say man or woman.
No.
Hallelujah.
It says break down the word.
Bless the name Jesus.
In the Bible.
Hallelujah.
What Corinthians say? Say no woman shouldn't break the word down to you.
You Bible tells us that woman must keep silent in the church. So, and he never said silent means enough of prayer. He never said silent means enough of something that other part be in hush and certain things. But if silent means enough of break down the word.
No woman
Who don't interpret this thing wrong.
Because the Bible
Bless the name
tells us
Jesus.
it tells us that the man at the head
Of the house.
of the house.
Yes.
And what of God's house?
Your temple.
Good.
You know me to the man at the head.
No, listen up. He tells us that the head of the house. Remember now we know. The head of the theme house. Can you tell them I come back and the bride. The bride in church. And the head of the bride are our man.
So what is a woman's duty where God is concerned?
In tell her when duty when concerned.
Where God is concerned. We're not talking about the husband. What is a woman's duty on earth where God is concerned?
Teach the children them.
What kind of children?
The woman.
The younger children them.
Teach them what?
Amen.
Listen up. In the church, you have the woman. You have a woman in the church. As me as a young woman, me a one young woman. All the mother will teach me, you know. How to adorn myself. So that means me a go know.
So hold on.
Listen now, listen now.
Yeah.
Listen, me coming in.
Yes, sister.
Me just a coming from out of the world. Remember, you know, God changed me in one new time. But even though God changed me, in my coming and you see me do certain things. When I'm in line, I was saying to me, call me one side, sister, you know, this is not right. I'm duty that to tell me say in the right. Alright. Because now one church and you see me come with my husband. And my husband talk to me and I splash off my husband and talk to him anyway. He's supposed to call me one side and talk to me and say that's right. So then the duty in the church man do one duty to do.
And
to teach.
Not to preach.
In by telling you,
but to teach.
in by telling you that it's not right, until you say the Lord says you're supposed to shall break down the world.
He not break down the world. He might teach you the natural way of life.
Oh, yeah.
Natural
way of life, we don't break down the word. The woman draw scripture. We draw scripture and go in a scripture and break it down and tell you.
No, he's not the head.
No.
He's not the head. Woman, if you're not the head at home, you can never be the head in church. Because the church, our whole body consists of